First, put water. Yeah. And then choose what
put a
kind.
cup in here.
Yeah. Seems like
supposed to be a small cup. I haven't got one.
Right.
And then, what's that say? Arpeggio, Tokyo Lungo, decaffeinated. I don't want decaffeinated. I think I'm going to go with the purple one because there's two of them. Put that in there. Yeah. Put it all the way in. There we go.
You don't need to remove the cup,
No,
the cover. No?
just put it in. How do you do it? How does this work? Right then. Yeah. That's not. Oh, hang on.
It says.
Hang on.
Ah, right. Sideways.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then press big drink.
Yeah.
Wait for it to warm up.
I think we just need to wait. So this is the first time, by the way, guys, to use this machine. So sorry about that. We're not very expert. Alright. So it's not working if you don't.
Yeah, it was working. I just had to wait.
Alright.
It was warming the water up.
So we remove this one because the cup is too big.
Exactly. Upstairs for thinking.
So what you're making? Espresso.
I'm making half a cup of coffee by the looks of it. That's the tall one. Oh,
right.
Okay.
So that's it. Is it okay now?
Yeah. It's ready for the next one.
Okay, that's it. So that's
Half a cup of coffee.
Just half. Yeah.
Some taste it.
Okay. Cheers. How's it?
It's nice. Very nice. Very
nice.
good coffee.
Right.
Very small though.